Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will introduce you a newly launched AI scientific figure generator. And the best and unique thing about this figure generator is that it can help us to generate research visual which we can edit. And as you know, in the previous AI tools, whenever we do prompt and usually whenever an output is produced, so there were actually few mistakes. So for them we actually need to do reprompt. But the best thing about this AI figure generator is that you can now generate your visuals and which you can edit and export. So here is FigPad.ai. So you can simply go to this website, and here you can see this FigPad.ai has actually different version. You can generate figure, you can generate posters, and similarly you can even convert your simple figure into SVG, and you can also edit your simple figure. So here you see, here is the main website page, and you can see here is AI scientific generator, and here are few examples of different already prompts they have used. So you can see they have mentioned how to create scientific figure. First you can choose, describe, you can take help of AI and generate, and finally you can export. And similarly you can see here this AI diagram generator. With the help of this you can edit your figures, you can correct the spellings if you think there were few mistakes, and you can see you can do text to figure, you can do image to figure, and you can do reference to figure. And similarly you can also edit scientific figure online, and similarly you can see we can do image to SVG, and we can also export our figure in the format like JPG, PNG, and even we can edit in the PPT format. So here I have already copy pasted one prompt. I have already logged in into this website, so I will simply paste that prompt here. So here you can see I have mentioned create a scientific figure about cell signaling pathway with receptor activation, kinase cascade, transcription factor. And here I have given like visual style, then requirement should be publication ready, and here you see the clear labels and directional arrows where appropriate, avoid cartoon style, avoid meme style, avoid stock photo look, and similarly avoid neon glow. And you can see all I have given in my prompt. So I will simply use among this chat GPT 2 and nano banana 2. So I will simply go with GPT image 2 generation. So I have only 2 credits because I am using the free version. So I will simply go with this figure generation. So you can see now figure has been started to generate. So meanwhile you can see once the image is being generated, so you can also give another prompt to edit this if you like. So hopefully it will take less than a minute and see how the output looks like and how we can use it for editing. So here you see our result has been processed. So let's click on this and see, you can see the image generated successfully. So you can see our image has been processed. So we can simply go and export this, or we can edit it. So first let's see by importing. If we click on JPG, and you can see our image in JPG is ready. So you can see here now the graphical abstract is ready. And if you are using pro version, so you can see you can also edit it in the form of vector file, and you can also directly edit it in the form of PowerPoint presentation. And if you like to edit it within this SVG editor, so it need 4 point. So let's now go to its pricing page. So you can see the starter package is available with $9 a month, and you will get 100 credits per month. So if you like, and you can buy this version by going with the just starter package. And if you like to give a try to this tool, link is mentioned in this video description. So if you have any question related to its use, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.